All right, the last thing we want to install is TinyTeX, which is a lightweight, I don't want to get to this page. This is the Git repository. So I want to go to the home page and I am going to install this. And so what this is going to do is it's going to install LaTeX for us in a very, very minimal version. LaTeX is a very huge typesetting system. Installations of it can range from 200 megabytes to 5 gigabytes. And so this is a very lightweight version just to get us started. All right, so in order to install on Linux, we need to run this command right here, which is a script that they provide. Oops, I'm going to copy that and then paste it into my terminal by right click. And this, what it'll do is it will install LaTeX for us. All right, so now that LaTeX is installed, in order to use it and to verify its installation, we need to reload our terminal session. In order to do that, I'm going to hit clear to clear the prompt screen, and I'm going to write in source ~.profile. And what this does is it reloads our bash profile, and then now I can double check to see that LaTeX is installed. So I'm going to run tlmgr -- version, and it gives us a version number, and it tells us that we are using the 2021 version of TechLive. This is exactly what we want to know. It verifies that we have LaTeX, and what TL Manager is it's a way to add packages. So if we ever wanted to increase our LaTeX distribution in our Ubuntu instance, we can just run the tlmgr space install and then the package name, and then that'll make things a lot easier.